Okay, I am going to attempt to repair my wife's shoe. This little sucker right here, and as you can see, yeah, it kind of flipped on her flop. So what I'm planning on doing, there's really not anything in there. It was a pretty clean break. And I'm using shoe glue. Sorry for the weird lighting. I don't do this a whole lot and still haven't gotten the hang of it. Shoe glue. So my plan is to just swab it on there. We got a little stick here from one of these things. Just broke it off. I mean, anything will work. Just dab it up in there, put it together, and then I've got a sort of I don't know what you call these things, C-clamp, hand clamp type of a thing. And I'm just gonna clamp on the tip, and that's it. And one thing about doing all this from my previous mess ups is always have everything here, especially when you're working with the time sensitive material like glue or epoxy. You know, have this set to where you need to clamp it, you know, have it readily available within reach and whatnot. So let's see. Okay, we have action. So I'm just going to take it and smear it along. So I'll smear it on the bottom. Ooh, it's some powerful stuff. I would also recommend you maybe use a ventilated area. Yeah, remember I said make sure you have everything in order? Yeah, I forgot about holding this thing so I could actually do the glue correctly. But anyway, that's good and like smeared everywhere. Get the lid back on this stupid thing. Ooh, it stinks. And then wipe the excess off. Because I don't think she would like this jacking around with her nice black shoe. And hopefully it doesn't take any of the paint off. Yeah, that'd be good. And I should have got some goof off or something. Wow, this stuff gets everywhere. And she's gonna kill me. This shit all over my fingers and everything. Yeah, that's gonna turn out like shit, but all right. Okay. Now, I actually didn't need to use the little wooden dowel stick, whatever. And now I'm just gonna mash it. Top of the toe. That's how it goes. And it's not horrifically clamped or anything. I mean, it's just, actually, it could be a little bit more clamped. And she's gonna be ecstatic whenever she gets her shoe back and there's a big ass imprint of the top of that little piece right there imprinted into her leather. But it's just a shoe, right, guys? Just a shoe. Man, this stuff is like never freeze, never sees. I mean, a little goes a long way. God, yeah, well, remember me saying lessons learned and all that? Yeah, this is a major lessons learned. Should have the Boy Scouts motto, be prepared, son. Be prepared. Okay, now on to the next one.